Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your phone runs a current MIUI build. Older versions limit per-screen options. Once done, disable third-party lock screen managers so the system controls wallpapers. Now open Settings, tap Wallpaper, and choose Lock Screen. This is where you set a single image. You do this because MIUI can apply different rules for home and lock screens. Selecting the lock screen pane first ensures changes won't mirror to the home screen. Proceed to pick an image or album. You now pick the actual wallpaper. Select Single Image, then Gallery or a built-in wallpaper. Make sure to preview specifically for lock screen only. When you see the toggle for Apply to Home Screen, turn it off. You crop to fit. MIUI often suggests 16:9 or autofit. Accept the crop so notifications and clock are visible. Once satisfied, press Set Lock Screen. This ensures only the lock screen receives the new image, preventing accidental duplication on the home screen. To finish, lock your device and check the new lock screen image. If it reverts or also changes your home screen, reboot the phone first. This often clears temporary state. If problems persist, clear the Wallpaper app cache via Settings Apps, show System Apps Wallpaper Storage Clear Cache, because stale data can override your choice. Finally, make sure Themes isn't applying its own lock screen. If so, edit the theme or set the lock screen from the theme editor so your single wallpaper stays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.